Digital proof of life. Now available online. We'll show you how it works. You'll need a smartphone or tablet with a stable internet connection, the digital proof of life letter. It must be your personal letter containing your name. If you have received more than one letter, you must complete the digital proof of life for each letter. A valid original photo ID. Please do not use a copy or a photo of your ID. IDs from over 100 countries are accepted. An email address and the POSTIDENT app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Here's how to proceed. Generate your 12-digit case number. 1. Scan the QR code. Open the camera on your smartphone or tablet. Focus the camera on the QR code from your personal digital proof of life letter. A link will appear on the screen. 2. Tap on the link displayed. If no link is displayed, focus the camera on the QR code without taking a photo. Do not scan with the POSTIDENT app. Use a special app for QR code scanning. 3. Check Access ID. Compare the Access ID displayed with the Access ID in your personal letter digital proof of life. Make sure your name appears on the letter. Make a selection and follow the instructions. 4. Enter data. Enter your first name and last name. Both IDs should be written exactly as shown in your letter digital proof of life next to the QR code. Enter an email address where you can receive emails. Make sure to spell your email address correctly. Tap Next. 5. 12-digit case number was created. The page POSTIDENT by AutoID appears. Copy the case number at the bottom of the page by tapping on the symbol next to it. Tap on Continue in the app. 6. Enter transaction number. The transaction number has been transferred from your device to the POSTIDENT app. If you do not see the transaction number, tap on the Enter Case Number field. An input field will appear. You can paste the 12-digit case number there. Tap on Send. Please do not use the Scan Case Number function. 7. Begin identity check. You can watch a brief tutorial on the identification process or tap directly on Start Identification. 8. Grant permissions. Tap on Consent to agree to the processing of your data. 9. Carry out identity check. The app guides you step by step through the identification process. Select your ID document. Take various pictures of your ID document and your face. Step 1. Photograph the front and back of your ID. Step 2. Hold the smartphone steady in one hand. Tilt the ID document back and forth with your other hand. Step 3. Record a video selfie. The app will show you where to look. Slowly turn your head in the direction of the arrow. 10. Review the data. You do not need to wait. Tab on Exit. POSTIDENT will now verify whether your identity check was successful. Result of the identity check with POSTIDENT. POSTIDENT will usually notify you of the identity check result within 24 hours. You will receive the result by email and in the app. POSTIDENT will automatically send a positive identity check result to Renton service. No further action is required on your part. If your identification was not successful, please repeat the process. Further information will be provided by email and in the app. The digital proof of life. Fast, secure, free, and convenient. Join in!